Hi there, it's Grant here. In this video, what I'm going to do is review Luke Lango's Innovation Investor. So once you watch the video, you're going to get really good understanding of what it is and how it can help you to find new opportunities and new investments, especially if you're interested in investing in technology. So if you're excited to watch the video, why not subscribe to the channel to get more content like this? So on with the review. So before I get into the video, just want to tell you a little bit about myself. I am mostly a crypto investor. That is really my main thing. But obviously crypto is, quite volatile, and it's technically a high risk investment. So basically I joined, Luke's Innovation Investor service to find, slightly safer investments, but with also, that could potentially return high returns. So yeah, I'm not really an expert stock market investor or stocks. My thing is crypto. So that is why I decided to give Luke Lango's Innovation Investor a whirl. Initial thoughts, I've only been a member for a couple of weeks, but my initial thoughts is I'm really impressed because the portfolio is very diverse. And the portfolio is performing strongly. I think there's, off the top of my head, I haven't counted them all, but I think there's at least 25 to 30 stock picks in there. Not everyone is returning a profit. That's impossible. But the portfolio is up in a significant way. There's a real diverse mix of different mostly tech investments in there. So yeah, portfolio is performing strongly, which is encouraging for me. And basically you've just, when you join, you just got to sort of read the research, go through the portfolio and pick the stocks that make sense for you. Obviously, it's not going to make sense for most people to invest in everything. But I think the way to use this service really is to look at Luke's research, look at the portfolio, to give you sort of opportunities that have potential high growth. And then I would say pick a couple of stocks and then do your own research as well. The whole point of Innovation Investor is to basically give you a massive shortcut on finding opportunities, because finding opportunities yourself, especially if it's not your full-time job or if you're a full-time investor, is hard and very time consuming, and it requires quite a high level of expertise. But this service just saves you massive time, but also in the long run will make you potentially, a really good return on your investment. So yeah, there we go. That's a little bit about me and how to really see and use Innovation Investor. Okay, so with that out of the way, let me walk you through the members area. So you've got the homepage here. This is kind of like just like links to everything. You get all the research here. And everything, and then we've got the alerts. This is kind of like any buy and sell alerts. There's an alert there to bag 70% profit. These are all the different, these are mostly buy and sort of sell alerts here. So yeah, you want to be keeping your eyes on that, if you decide to become a member. And then you got the daily notes. This is just kind of like the newsletter side of things. So this is more informational newsletter style. So it just keeps you up to date on what is happening, kind of like in the markets, and most particularly the tech markets. One of the best parts of this is the research. You've got a Q1 portfolio review. And then you've got all of the opportunities in the special reports. All of these are special reports here. How to profit from X. Like I said, Innovation Investor is going heavy on AI. So you've got the AI moonshot, free AI losers to avoid the next NVIDIA. How to profit from Elon Musk's new AI venture, the AI perfect storm stock. So yeah, you've got a whole load of AI opportunities here. And I think this is probably what's interesting for me, because I'm really interested. I guess technically a tech investor because I like crypto. AI is big on my radar. And just sort of reading all of these reports there's a lot of AI opportunities for me to chew over, and I think there's going to be a lot of AI sort of opportunities coming through. And also for you crypto investors watching as well, seeing this is very tech heavy service, I think Luke is going to be offering a few crypto opportunities as well, if that's of interest to you. Also, if you're heavily into crypto, they also do another crypto service in Crypto Investor Network. I'll leave a link to that down below if crypto is more your thing and you want to take a look at that. So this is the research, very heavy on AI at the moment. Really enjoying that because that's something I'm personally interested in. Then you've got the portfolios. You've got a couple of portfolios here. You've got the core portfolio and the venture portfolio. And this basically holds all of the open positions that Luke and his team have put out. You've got buy and sell alerts, percentage return, and any special notes. And obviously you get obviously all the tickers and names of the stocks as well. So it's very in-depth. I can't show you inside the portfolio page because obviously I'll be giving away all the stock picks, and I don't think Luke and his team would like that much. So I can't show you the actual portfolio because that's for members only. But like I said, you've got 25 to 30 plus stocks to go over, load of AI stuff. And like I said, the portfolio is performing really strongly. I mean, obviously there are some stocks that are losing money. It's just kind of the nature of the beast. But there's quite a few stocks that are returning, who have returned 500, 600, 700% or more. So yeah, a lot of the stocks in there performing very, very well. Then you've got the video section. 1 second, if my internet will work. Here we go. Why it's still prime time for AI stocks, special crypto updates, special, all of these videos here, talking about AI, all of the different, videos, very informative stuff here that I think you'll find very, very useful. And then you've got basically member resources, talking about Innovation Investor, you've got manual meet Luke, and then you've got a welcome video to Innovation Investor, and you've got all the different special reports there as well. So that is my review of Innovation Investor. I would give the service probably an 8 out of 10. Like I said, I'm not really a massive stock investor. I'm more of a crypto guy, so I'm kind of learning. But there's plenty of stocks here, especially for AI, which is going to be huge for me to chew over, which I'm really enjoying. And I think, a lot of the AI stocks here are going to do particularly well. So I give it a thumbs up. Definitely saves me a ton of time researching all of this stuff myself. In fact, it would just take me hours and hours try to research all of this stuff. And basically Innovation Investor saves me a bunch of time, just gives me all the research I need to know. If I like any stocks, I'll go off and do my own research. And then if I like them, I'll basically put some money into them. So there we go. That's Luke Lango's Innovation Investor. Big thumbs up if you're interested, especially if you're investing in tech and AI. If you want to join Innovation Investor, I'll leave a link to this page down in the comments and description below. And you can just normally Innovation Investor retails for $2.99 a year, but you can just get it now for just $49. In the full honesty of transparency, if you do make a purchase, I will get a commission. But it's just hopefully, anything you do by just helps me to create these videos for people like yourself. So if you want to buy, only $49, get a massive discount on your first year. I'll leave a link to this in the comments and description below. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful and informative, and I will speak to you soon.